I know why cows have bells, man. Cows have bells because sometimes their horns don't work, man. Hey, man, get a sense of humor, man.
Really? Sheesh.
Thanks for joining us for a milk break, Sharky. Bye, Sharky. Maybe we'll see you later. Oh, Sharky, before you go, I almost forgot. Here's that quarter I borrowed. I'll throw it to you.
Sharky hit his head. That's what I said. He's got a lump on his bum as his stomach was home. He's a cup that's a hope Sharky should have known. He'll be seeing red. Sharky hit his head. Eat the cat, don't amuse him. Hurt his head, confuse him. A purple pity so lame, causing Sharky so much pain. A real bad head blow. But that's how it goes. Sharky's gonna fall down now. You wanna look at Sharky now? Sharky hit his head.
So, Elmo, what do you got planned for the rest of your day?
Oh, Eek, I raised money so my little brother Timmy can have an operation.
Kumbaya, Elmo! What misfortune has touched little Timmy this time?
Oh, Eek, it's too awful to describe. I'll just have to show you. By all that is holy, Eek, I ask that you be strong.
So horrible, inhuman.
He is not inhuman. He is an animal. An animal with a piggy bank stuck on his nose.
Must help Timmy. Must think of a way.
Well, I already know what we need to do. We need to form a band and sell tickets. We'll call it Timmy Stock. Do you play any instruments, Eek?
Well, no.
Great, you're in the band. Now we've got to let the people know about Timmy Stock.
Hey, I know just the guy who can help us spread the word about Timmy Stock, Elmo.
Hey, I'm Chris Leary, and you are plugged into
The Fox Kids Countdown with Chris Leary.
Today, my special guests are Elmo the Elk and Eek the Cat. They're here to talk about their upcoming concert, Timmy Stock, to raise money for Elmo's little brother, Timmy. Now, Elmo, what exactly is wrong with Timmy?
Oh, Chris, it's terrible. Timmy wanted to see how much money he had, and well, he got his nose stuck in his piggy bank.
We need to raise money to treat poor Timmy's facial disfigurement, so we're putting on a rock show, Chris.
Okay, well, our other guest today is a swimsuit model, actress, and calendar pinup girl named Julie.
Hello, Chris, Eek, Elmo.
Hello.
Hey!
So, we're ready to take your calls for Eek, Elmo, or Julie.
Eek! Oh, hey!
Well, let's take a call for Julie. It's Gunther from Metropolis.
Hi, Julie. I love that movie Space Fiends Go Disco. Did you do all your own stunts?
Doubtful, since I wasn't in that movie. Next.
Let's take another call.
So you see, Captain Yeager.
Please, ma'am, call me Chuck.
Chuck? Scott Crossfield may have set the stage for manned spaceflight, but your October 14th, 1947 X-1 flight certainly pushed the envelope towards the new frontier. You should feel good about yourself.
Thanks, Julie. I do feel better.
Hey, a call for Eek and Elmo.
Huh?
Have you seen the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man!
I'm afraid you have the wrong number.
No, I'm afraid you just picked up the wrong phone! He's after me! The Muffin Man! He's after me!
Although it seems strange that America's listening audience would be more interested in a beautiful calendar girl bathing suit model like Julie than the plight of a young elk who tragically has a piggy bank stuck on his nose, well, we just have to think of another way to draw attention to our benefit for Timmy. You know what our band needs is a high-profile drummer.
A drummer? Well, where are we gonna find a high-profile drummer in time for Timmy Stock?
Come along, Piggy. The light's about to change.
Look, the lorry has eyes.
Get out of the street, Piggy.
But it's got eyes, big blinking eyes, there, on the lorry.
Shut up, Piggy. You're blinking better, you are.
But I saw them, eyes on the lorry.
Shut up, Piggy.
Kumbaya, Timmy Stock appears to be a failure. Maybe we should have learned to play these instruments.
Stand back, man! New drummer!
Cramps in legs.
ASPCA, the broken pet goes in the ASPCA. I said young pup.
I'm talking to Vu.
I said young pup.
You can chew on a shoe.
They got everything that a record wants. We'll bring the doggy back from a restaurant at the ASPCA. The broken pet goes in the ASPCA.
Huh? The audience is throwing cash! Timmy Stock is a success! Kumbaya! There's probably enough money here for little Timmy to get his much needed Kumbaya, Elmo! It looks like a Christmas miracle! Apparently our music has cured Timmy! Boy, it's wonderful when everything works out!
And now I know Timmy will use that hard-earned money to help others inflicted like himself.
Good Cretaceous! The missing bone that proves all my theories of evolution to be true. This single bone could change the world, throw civilized dinosaur society into a tailspin, and discount all we learned dinos once believed. I must get this find safely to my research laboratory back in Jurassic City. If it were to fall into the wrong hands, the world as we know it would be immediately thrown to chaos. Ah! Leave me alone, you stupid jungle slug! Why don't you eat Scooter? I hear he's full of chocolate. Miserable brain-chewing pest! You missed me! You can kiss my big fat foot! I win world! Me, Bill the Man! Huh? Easy with this, gentle souls. This could be the archaeological find of a lifetime. Why? To return to Jurassic City means crossing untamed enemy territory inside the X-Zone. With this bone, the most important scientific discovery in a millennium, I could certainly use some protection from those devious thugosaurs.
I understand, Dr. Steggy. I have just the bodyguards for the job.
We'll wait for support to arrive. Over and out!
Aha! Sounds like those pea-brain thunder lizards have arrived for active duty. Well, they sound upbeat and ready for action.
Good one, Squat! Watch this one.
Now, all three of us.
Well, well, well. The terrible thunder lizards. Don't we just have all the time in the world for fun and games? Well, playtime is over, thunder lizards. Now get in my office. Marjorie, please hold my calls while I pummel the thunder lizards into the next millennium.
Yes, General Galapagos.
So, instead of the original assignment that I was going to have you do, which was basically scraping gum off the parking lot pavement, you will now head to the outskirts of the X-Zone. All you have to do is escort Dr. Steggy and his find across the X-Zone safely. Can you handle that? Well, can you?
No problem, guys. Excuse me, I'm Irish.
Sing me a song.
Well, then move out!
Absolutely. General, right away.
This is my footlocker. The door is over there.
Hey, Bill! There you are, buddy! So how's your morning going?
My morning, Scooter? Oh, just the usual, you know. I awoke to a jungle slug trying to chew on my head. Realized I hadn't eaten anything but dirt, bark, and a handful of common germs for weeks. Scrounged for food and found nothing but poison ivy. Oh, let's see. Got stepped on by a big dinosaur, wallowed in quicksand a bit. You know, same old, same old. Oh, did I mention a huge bone fell from the sky and landed on my head?
No, Bill, you didn't.
I did. Isn't that wonderful? So as you can see, it's just another beautiful beginning for another peachy day in this horror show we called My Life. When am I ever gonna get a break? Ah! Well, that certainly sounded like a break.
Oh, let me help you out there, buddy.
Scooter, what's on your face? You look like I did the time that frothy Squillosaurus bit me.
Well, I call it toothpaste, Bill. I'm trying to take care of my teeth so they won't get sick and fall out. How are your teeth, Bill?
My what? Teeth? What are teeth?
Well, you better let me take a look.
Scooter, man!
Oh, boy, Bill. You better start taking better care of your teeth. Here, Bill. I call this brushing your teeth. It'll help rub away all those gross things that are eating away at your chompers. And here's my newest teeth cleaning invention, Bill.
Huh?
I call it the dental swisher.
That's hurting. Stop.
Guess I'd better adjust the pressure on my dental swisher.
Well. It appears we have visitors. What would bring the thunder lizards to our neck of the woods? Aha! I see. It appears the thunder lizards are protecting that mysterious bone. There must be some value to this cartilage. Well, whatever it is, it will soon be property of the thugosaurs. Follow me.
Gee, guys, I feel really good that General Galapagos finally gave us a really cool mission.
Yes, it is good to be trusted again.
Yeah, it's great to have a chance to show the General that we're not ninnies. That we can take a mission and not bungle it. If anyone can protect this, well, this bone, it's us, right, guys? We're the ones.
Nobody better.
Nobody better. I guess that was a bad thing, huh, Cutter?
Yes, Squad, I'd say dropping the mysterious and potentially life-changing bone we were ordered to protect in the middle of the X-Zone, and it's all our fault, would fit nicely into bad thing category!
I'm sorry. Okay, guys, we've made a mistake. We must keep our heads and...
Come on, maybe we can save that bone before anyone notices.
There it is. We must move carefully. Huh?
Well, thank you very much.
Human!
Wait, Squat!
When the trucks pass underneath, we take them! Free to join in with the laughter, fellas? Huh? Oh dear. Curse those thunder lizards!
Guys, hold on to the rope. Time to drop out. Gotcha!
Wonderful for me. For once, I fell off a cliff and landed softly. Very softly.
Everything all right back there?
Of course, sir. We'll have you and your incredible find safely out of the X-Zone in moments.
Excellent. That bone is a priceless artifact. It must be handled with absolute care.
Yes, sir.
There you are, buddy. I've been looking all over for you. Hey, it looks like you've already figured out my latest tooth care invention.
Huh? Huh?
I call it the automatic toothbrush.
When...
Mommy! Mommy, help!
We made it, guys. We're safe. Careful.